Hello everyone, my name is JongGu. Their name is JinHyeok and SeokBin. Our team research about hard issue of earth science. Today's title is Silent Murderer Particulate. Do you have a sore throat or breathing hard sometimes? Nowadays, many people have coughs, so we can see people who wear a mask. Do you know reasons? Many recently studies are revealed that particulate is one of the most causes of disease. Some people could even die. So most people have attention about particulate. In addition, Weather Center sometimes has issued a particulate warning in Korea. So I'd like to say particulate here. Then, don't you want to know that Korea is safety from particulate? I prepare one broadcast. Let's see.
You can barely see the skyline in Seoul this afternoon. A thick blanket of haze and smog is hanging over the nation, partially from the high levels of ultrafine particles blowing in from China, but also from factories and vehicles right here in Korea.
Smog, which can cause respiratory and cardiac problems. On Monday, the Seoul city government issued a fine dust advisory around noon and asked people to stay indoors. The particulate matter level of 2.5 was high at 92 micrograms per cubic meter for over 2 hours. The limit recommended by the Korean government is 85 micrograms per cubic meter. And it looks like these can...
This broadcast focuses on skyline in Seoul. A thick blanket of smoke is hanging at atmosphere, and the particulate matter level was higher than limit level. This picture is the morning rush hour in Seoul. Despite the warning, the picture is foggy and we cannot see sunshine. According to one research, the density of a particulate, called PM10, about 50 microgram per cubic meter. This value is 3 times of Paris, which has the lowest PM10 value. Therefore, our group thinks about how to reduce particulate. Our content is intro is finished. Normal knowledge, causes, solution 2, lastly, conclusion. First, we have some knowledge about particulate. Definition of particulate is dust, just small dust. Each radius more than 10 micrometer is particulate. A fine particle is 2.5 micrometer, lower than. And particulate component is many oxide and heavy matter. Particulate has good permeability and consists of harmful material, such as heavy matter. So it is very bad for people's health. Let's know disease causes particulate. In short, particulate permeate blood, lung, or nervous system. They excited each organ, so systemic oxidative stress and inflammation occur in almost cell. For example, they affect on lung, asthma, or lung cancer rate is higher. Let's know why they come from and why they appear. Next people say about that.
Okay, my name is JinHyeok. Next, I want to talk about causes of the particulate formation process of nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide, and first solution. First, what is the source of particulate? We commonly think main reason of particulate is China, but it is half correct and half not. Of course, not only China emit many particulate, but also cars and factory in Korea also make particulate. And house emission are also serious. When we cook or clean the house, we make particulate. So, how is this particulate, especially nitrogen dioxide, made? First, supersonic aircraft, for example, jet or Concorde passenger plane and car generate nitrogen monoxide thermally. Next, nitrogen monoxide and ozone produce nitrogen dioxide. Another reaction exists. Oxygen and water with ultraviolet produce hydroperoxyl, HOO. Hydroperoxyl and nitrogen monoxide make nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide is the main reason of smoke's yellow color. Also, nitrogen dioxide is very harmful. So, if its concentration should exceed 100 ppm in atmosphere, half of animals were killed. And how is this sulfur dioxide made? Fundamentally, sulfur dioxide is a product of the burning of sulfur or compound that contain sulfur. In China, they make electricity by burning coals. As a result, many sulfur dioxide are produced, and many factories make sulfur dioxide by refining iron, zinc, mercury, and other metals from gemstone. It has pungent smell and toxicity, so if its concentration is 3 to 5 ppm, we can smell, and if its concentration should exceed 10 ppm, we can endure a long time. We must go indoor as soon as possible. Finally, I want to explain first solution of particulate. What does it look like? Many hosts make it look like sieve that classifies grain, but it is air filter. Professor Yi Chui developed air filter that can absorb particulate, even smaller than 2.5 micrometer. He used a process called electrospinning, which can make micrometer material into nanometer fiber, thinner than human's hair. He did many experiments for finding appropriate materials. Finally, he used polyacrylonitrile as a material. Because polyacrylonitril's removal efficiency is the highest efficiency, it can break 99% of 2.5 micrometer, and 70% of air can pass through this. Its only weakness is life. This picture shows air filter's efficiency. Right side is filled with smoke, and left side is filled with air, similar component to Earth's atmosphere. But smoke can go over tube. We can reduce air pollution by putting this air filter to power station chimney or car exhaust pipes to take out the particle. Also, we make personal mask out of this fiber. Next, SeokBin explain other solutions.
Okay, let's start. I will introduce solution to reduce particulate. First, I will introduce source product. The main topic is reduce dust scattering from road. Most of particulate is made from traffic like cars, subways, and road. So reducing dust scattering is important. There are details. First, clean the road. Second, put DPF into cars. DPF is diesel particulate filter. A car which have this filter produce less particulate. Third, use natural gas vehicle. Next, low pollution vehicle product. Finally, take care of naked ground. I will introduce more. Low pollution vehicle product has 3 articles. First, make allowable exhaust standard for pollutant and enforce a law with rigor. Second, put emission reduction device in improper cars. Improper cars mean a car which produce many particulates. Finally, give subsidy for scrapping improper cars. If you have an improper car and you scrap your car, you can get money. Next, I will introduce about naked ground. Naked ground is ground covered soils and sand. Weighted ground makes lots of particulates, so it needs management. Government turf naked ground, and this ground doesn't make particulate anymore. Maybe You can think it is not effective. Look at this. This picture shows distribution change of particulate in Seoul. Our area is more red, it means its particulate density. Density is high. You can know particulate density of Seoul reduced. Seoul's project was effective. Now, introducing Seoul's project is end. Next, I will introduce broadcasting. Let's begin with other countries' broadcast. In England, AQA forecast air condition. They check density of pollutant and announce in real time. If density is higher than standard, they warn. USA forecasting are not much different. American use AirNow. This is AirNow is website people can know air condition by time and region with AirNow. Similarly, Korea have forecast. We can list forecast on TV and radio, but it is not all. We can listen on internet and cell phone. We can search on neighbor to get information about air condition. KAQFS offer information about air condition in real time. KAQFS is Korean Air Quality Forecasting Service. People can know air condition by time and region with this. Also, we can get text message or install application on cell phone to listen forecast. It's pretty good, but it have a problem. Information minority group of people can access to them. They need forecast for their health. I think we have to solve this problem. Finally, I will introduce our research. Some engineers are making electrostatic precipitator. I will explain how to use this. High voltage give charge. This is the gas with particulate. High voltage give them a charge, and gas and particulate are divided by electric force. I explained very simple. Real circuit is this. It is too difficult, so I don't want to explain this. We can use this many places like factories, cars, subways, and construction sites. It will make our air pressure. We introduced harmful of particulate and how make particulate and find solution. The solutions are contact, eliminate particulate, remove cause. Thank you.